Welcome to Easy Fun Maths. Kumari here. All are excited to learn fractions? Yes. Today's topic, equivalent fractions. Closely observe 1 by 2. Here it represents 2 by 4. Here it represents 4 by 8. Closely observe. They all are equal. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Another set of equivalent fraction. Closely observe 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 8. 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 8. Here 3 by 4 equal to 6 by 8. They are another set of equivalent fractions. Here 2 parts are shaded out of 4. So it represents 2 by 4. Here 4 parts are shaded out of 8. So it represents 4 by 8. Closely observe. They are also equal. 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. Another set of equivalent fractions. How to find or how to make equivalent fraction? Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. To get the equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 1 by 2. Multiply by 2. 1 into 2, getting 2. 2 into 2, getting 4. So we are getting another equivalent fraction. Here also 1 into 4 makes 4. 2 into 4 makes 8. In multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get another equivalent fractions. Please, you have to cut different shapes, color, enjoy making equivalent fractions. Here, write 3 more equivalent fractions continuously till we given 1 by 4 equals 2 by 8. Here, 1 into 2 makes 2, 4 into 2 makes 8. So, multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Now, we are going to try with 3 by 3. 1 into 3 makes 3. 4 into 3 makes 12. Now we are going to multiply by 4 by 4. 1 into 4 makes 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we are going to multiply by 5 by 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Closely observe. There is a small trick. Numerators are 1 times table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continuous. Denominator 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4 times table. So you have to try 2 questions. Write 3 more equivalent fractions continuously. Again, whether the given fractions are equivalent or not equivalent. How to test? 2 by 6 and 4 by 12. You have to check whether they are equivalent fractions or not. The rule is you have to cross multiply the numerator into denominator like this. Again this denominator into numerator. That is 2 times 12 which is equal to 2 times 12 which is equal to 24. 6 times 4 which is equal to 24. Products are equal. Both the products the same result 24. So products are equal. That means 2 by 6 and 4 by 12 are equivalent fraction. Yes, they are equivalent fraction. The products are not same. They are not equivalent fraction. Please try this 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 whether they are equivalent fraction. Pause and try. Are you ready? We are going to check our answers. It is given 3 by 5 equal to 6 by 10. We are going to write 3 more fractions. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. We are going to write continuous. So I am multiplying by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. Now I am going to multiply by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. Now I am going to multiply by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. So they are equivalent fractions. Another set, it is given 4 by 11 which is equal to 8 by 22. Here I am going to multiply continuous. Here it is multiplied by 2 by 2. So now I am going to try with 3 by 3. 4 into 3 makes 12. 11 into 3 makes 33. 4 times 4 makes 16. 11 times 4 makes 44. 4 times 5 is 20. 11 times 5 is 55. Closely observe a small trick. Easy to write. Oh, 3, 6. So 3 times table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times table. Here down it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times table. So to write the next equivalent fraction continuously, you can use this trick. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4 times table. Here it is 11 times table. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Hope it is clear. Now, we are going to check whether the given fraction 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, they are equivalent. What is the rule? You have to cross multiply like this. Cross multiply. 2 times 6 which is equal to 12. 3 times 4 which is equal to 12. Closely observe the product. The products are equal. You have to cross multiply. 2 times 6 which is 12. 3 times 4 which is 12. The products are equal. That means the given fraction 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fraction. If the products are not equal, they are not equivalent fractions. Hope it is clear. You enjoyed. Coming soon with another idea. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you to all.